Have you ever wondered why you cannot just buy insurance on your neighbor's car? It comes down to a concept called insurable interest. In the world of insurance, interest does not refer to your bank account earnings. It refers to your financial stake in something. To have an insurable interest, you must show that you would experience a direct financial loss if the insured property or person were harmed. This principle applies broadly, covering everything from the home you own to the life of a spouse whose income supports your household. Without this rule, insurance would just be a form of gambling. It ensures policies are used for protection, not for betting on accidents. If you have no financial stake, the policy is invalid. Insurance companies verify this interest to prevent fraud and maintain market stability. Remember the golden rule of insurance. If you cannot prove a financial loss, you cannot insure the asset. It keeps the system honest. Insurable interest is the cornerstone of risk management. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more basics on how your money works.